Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn the names of different fruits in Hindi. And let's begin with the national fruit of India, mango. Mango is known as aam in Hindi, aam. Then comes guava. Guava is a fruit that is a bit hard on the outside but nice and gooey on the inside. It is known as amarud in Hindi. Amarud. Amarud. Then comes coconut. Coconut is known as nariyal. Nariyal. Then comes the Indian superfood, gooseberry, which is known as amla in Hindi. Amla. Amla. It is full of vitamin C and antioxidants. Then comes an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple is known as seb in Hindi. Seb. Seb. Bananas. Bananas are known as kela. Kela. Kela in Hindi. Then comes oranges. Oranges are known as santara. Santara. Santara in Hindi. Grapes. Grapes are known as angur. Angur. Angur in Hindi. Pear. Pear is known as nashpati. Nashpati. Nashpati in Hindi. Then comes pineapple. Pineapples are known as ananas. Ananas in Hindi. Then custard apple. Custard apple is known as sitaphal. Sitaphal in Hindi. Lychees are known as lychee in Hindi. There's no difference in the name. Similarly, cherries, strawberries, they all are pronounced as lychee, cherry, strawberry in Hindi. Adu. Adu is the Hindi word for peach. So peaches are known as adu in Hindi. Then comes watermelon, a very popular food during summer season. It is known as tarbooj. Tarbooj in Hindi. Tarbooj. Tarbooj. And melon is known as kharbooj. Kharbooj in Hindi. And then comes papaya. Papaya is known as papita. 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 And the last fruit for the day, sapodilla. Sapodilla is known as chiku in Hindi. Chiku. Chiku. So friends, I hope this video helped you learn the names of some of the fruits in Hindi. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.